I must have panic. Yeah, man. In our house, said it, you know. Yeah. The bumbo clock, the fireman there. Watch her looking at the party, how should we win that? Should we win that there, so? Bumbo clock.
Robbie. I'm on this other branch.
See fire gone back up in our top. Look in our own stuff. Yeah. Bumbo cloth. Bumbo cloth. Alien fuck up. Watch a crowd of people.